Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to everyone. Welcome to the first official presentation of Typhoon. Are you tired of manual upgrades or expiry dates? Fed up of downlines not upgrading on time or constant monitoring of accounts? Scared of losing level payments, high gas fees, downline not upgrading? We have finally cracked the code and created a unique revolutionary smart contract that will eliminate the loopholes of the previously launched smart contracts. For the first time in the history of smart contract, a fully automated smart contract has been created. Be ready to be a part of the biggest revolution in the history of smart contract. Welcome to Typhoon, a unique, revolutionary, 100% decentralized, Ethereum-based, fully automated smart contract deployed on Ethereum blockchain. Why Typhoon? It's 100% decentralized, which means there is no owner or admin. When the smart contract is deployed on Ethereum blockchain, it cannot be tampered or changed by anyone. It's simple and convenient, easy to navigate back office. Funds are transferred automatically to higher levels, low gas fees. We care about you. Hence, our developer has created a system wherein you will not pay high gas fees. We have put all the efforts to keep minimal gas fees for each transaction. However, we do not control Ethereum blockchain or mining fees. It's a one-time 0.09 ETH out of pocket. So you just need 0.09 ETH plus gas fees to join Typhoon. There are 7 labs and it's a 3 by 2 structure follow me smart contract. By follow me, we mean your referrals will always follow you in the next lab, even if you're behind them. We will discuss this in detail a little bit later. There are only 2 levels, level 1 and level 2. Since it is a 3 by 2 structure, in level 1, you only need 3 people, and in level 2, you only need 9 people. So with 12 people, you will complete each lab. It's not 3, 9 or 27. It's only 3 plus 9. So with 12 people, you are going to complete each lab. As I said, there are 7 labs. So your 12 people will follow you in each labs. No lost profits. You will never lose your profit from any level or downline in Typhoon. Let me give you an illustration. Assume your downline is very active and aggressive and has upgraded to next lap before you have upgraded. Now, in most of the cases, or in other smart contract, what happens is you will lose your profit because you have not achieved or reached that lap or level or matrix, right? But in our project, you will not lose your profit for that lap. It will be kept on hold and released to your wallet once you upgrade to that lap. It won't be passed up or skipped to the next available upline. Fully automated. Typhoon is fully automated, end to a manual upgrades, no chasing of downline for upgrades. Just join and activate your lap 1, invite 3 people and guide your 3 to invite their 3. Rest everything will be taken care by the system. Automated re-entries. Upon completion of lap 2, 3 4 and 5 and 6, you will receive re-entries to lap 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 automatically, which will enable you to earn over and over again. It will help you to earn multiple times from one time out of pocket cost of 0.09 ETH. So you're only paying once and you will be earning multiple times and forever. Okay, most important thing in any business is transparency, right? So transparency is key. So we believe in transparency. Our smart contract is designed in such a manner that it cannot be changed for years to come. Unlike other smart contracts, where the founders prescribe or decide the life of the smart contract and make a clever self-removal button to easily withdraw the funds whenever they like. In Typhoon, or in this project, or in our project, no one will have access to smart contract wallet, not even the founders and the developers. Our developers are really hardworking and very honest, and they have suggested themselves to block the access to the smart contract wallet by anyone. So no one will be able to withdraw the funds from the smart contract. Once it is deployed on Ethereum blockchain, it is locked. No one will be able to tamper with the codings. No one will be able to change the matrix. No one will be able to withdraw the funds from the smart contract wallet. Your funds, your withheld funds will always be stored in your wallet as long as the smart contract is in effect and the blockchain is running, which is a very, very good feature of our project. Now let's understand the pay plan, okay? Like how Typhoon works and how does it look like, okay? How much you are going to earn from each lap and how does the structure look like? So as I said, Typhoon is a 3x2 structure with 7 laps. When we say 7 laps, means 7 different matrices. It is fully automated, which means you don't have to upgrade manually. You will upgrade to each lap automatically. Upon completion of a certain lap, you are going to get automated re-entries. You don't have to pay anything extra out of pocket. You just pay, you're just paying one time 0.09 ETH, that's it. And you are inviting 3 people and they are inviting their 3 and likewise. You only need 12 people to complete each lap and you'll be earning 400 plus ETH over and over again. As you can see the structure on top, you are there, then you are level 3. So you have invited L1, you have invited 3 people on your L1 and they have invited their 3 people on L2. I will discuss each lap in the subsequent slides. So let's understand how lap 1 works. All the laps works in the same manner. It's a 3x2 structure. You only need 12 people. Your team members in lap 1 will follow you in lap 2, lap 3, and all the way to lap 7. Okay. So in order to join Typhoon, you have to activate your lap 1 by paying 0.09 ETH. Now, how does it work? You're going to receive 0.027 ETH from 3 people from level 1. So you're going to receive 3 times 0.027, making a total of 0.081 ETH to your wallet. Okay. Once your level 2 fills, once people start falling in level 2 or once they join level 2 in your structure, you are going to receive 0.033 ETH from 9 people, making a total of 0.0297 ETH to your wallet. So these numbers are pure profit which will be paid to you. Automatically you will upgrade to lap 2 and the total profit from lap 1 is 0.378 ETH. Rest is self-explanatory. It is very simple. As soon as someone joins in your level 1, you will get paid 0.027 and your upline will get paid 0.033. As soon as someone joins your level 2, your level 1 will get paid 0.027 ETH and you will get paid 0.033 ETH. So this is how the amount is broken. Let's understand lap 2. As I said, all the labs works in a similar manner. So you are not going to pay anything for lap 2. Why? Because you're automatically upgrading from lap 1. Once you complete lap 1, once you have 3 plus 9, 12 people under you in lap 1, you will automatically upgrade to lap 2. Cost for lap 2 is 0.27 ETH, which is not going to be paid by you. It will be covered in the lap 1 itself. You are going to receive 0.081 ETH from level 1 people. So basically you are going to receive 0.081 ETH from 3 people, making a total of 0.243 ETH to your wallet. You're going to receive 0.099 ETH from level 2. Okay, so you are going to receive 0.099 ETH from 9 people on your level 2, making a total of 0.891 ETH to your wallet. And you will automatically upgrade to lap 3. The numbers 0.243 and 0.891 are pure profits. This will be paid to you. You will get an automated entry to lap 1 upon completion of lap 2. So as soon as your level 1 and level 2 gets filled by 3 and 9 people respectively, you will upgrade to lap 3. At the same time, you are going to get a new position in lap 1 and your team will follow you in lap 1 and lap 2 and in the coming laps. So the total profit from lap 2 is 1.134 ETH. Remaining is self-explanatory. It is mentioned here. You can go through all the details. Okay. Let's understand lap 3. So as we saw that we will automatically upgrade from lap 2 to lap 3. So the cost of lap 3 is 0.72 ETH. You're going to receive 0.216 ETH from 3 people on level 1, making a total of 0.648 ETH to your wallet, and 0.234 ETH from 9 people from your level 2, making a total of 2.106 ETH to your wallet. When I'm saying wallet here, it means it will be credited to your wallet in your back office. Since it is an automated program, you'll have to request a withdrawal from your back office. Okay. So please keep this in mind. Whenever I'm referring to wallet, that means your back office wallet. From there, you can withdraw anytime. There is no restriction. Okay. So you will receive 0.216 from 3 people from level 1, and you will receive 0.234 ETH from 9 people from level 2, you will automatically upgrade to lab 4. You will get an automated entry to lab 2. Where this is very exciting because you're just paying one time 0.09 ETH and you will be earning again and again and multiple times from each lab. The total profit from lab 3 is 2.754 ETH. Remaining is self-explanatory. Let's understand lab 4. Once your lab 3 is filled with 3 plus 9 people, okay, so 3 people in level 1 and 9 people in level 2, you will automatically upgrade to lab 4. The cost to join, the cost to lab 4, the cost to upgrade to lab 4 is 2.16 ETH, which is not coming out of your pocket. It will be taken care by the system itself. You will receive 0.648 ETH from 3 people from level 1, making a total of 1.944 ETH to your wallet. You're going to receive 0.792 ETH from 9 people from level 2, making a total of 7.128 ETH to your wallet. You will automatically upgrade to lab 5 once your level 1 and level 2 is filled in lab 4. So once you have 3 people in L1 and once you have 9 people in L2, you will automatically upgrade to lab 5 and you will get an automated re-entry to lab 3 to earn over and over again. The total profit from lab 4 is 9.072 ETH. Let's understand lab 5. Once your lab 4 is filled with 3 plus 9 people, you will automatically upgrade to lab 4. The cost to upgrade to lab 4 is 5.76 ETH, which will be taken care by the system automatically. You are not going to pay anything out of pocket. You are going to receive 1.728 ETH from 3 people from level 1, making a total of 5.184 ETH to your wallet. You are going to receive 1.872 ETH from 9 people from level 2, making a total of 16.848 ETH to your wallet. You will automatically upgrade to lab 6 once your level 1 and level 2 are filled with 3 and 9 people respectively. And you will get an automated re-entry to lab 4. Total profit from lab 5 is 22 ETH, 22.02 ETH. Let's move on to lab 6. Once your lab 5 is completed, you will automatically upgrade to lab 6. Cost to upgrade to lab 6 is 17.28 ETH. You will receive 5.184 ETH from 3 people from level 1, making a total of 15.552 ETH to your wallet. You will receive 6.336 ETH from 9 people, making a total of 57 ETH to your wallet from level 2. You will automatically upgrade to lab 7 once your level 1 and level 2 is filled with 3 and 9 people respectively. And you will automatically get a re-entry to lab 5 to earn over and over again. The total profit from lab 6 is 72.576 ETH. Let's understand lab 7. Once you complete lab 6, you will automatically upgrade to lab 7. Cost to upgrade to lab 7 is 46.08 ETH. You will receive 13.824 ETH from 3 people, making a total of 41.472 ETH from level 1 to your wallet. And you will receive 32.256 ETH from 9 people from level 2, making a total of 290.304 ETH to your wallet. The total profit from lab 7 is 331.776 ETH. So in total, you're going to receive 400 plus ETH over and over again. As you have seen in from lab 2 to lab 6, you are getting a re-entry, automated re-entry to the previous lap, okay, in order to earn over and over again from our project. As we have uh, explained this earlier, that your team will follow you in all the matrices. So you just need to build lap one. You need to focus on your lap one. Once everyone's built lap one, those people will follow you in lap 2, 3, 4 until lap 7. You don't have to work for all the laps. You only need to work for one lap. You only need 3 people and they need to invite their 3. That's it. If everyone follows this simple strategy of inviting 3 people, you are going to earn 400 plus ETH over and over again. You are never going to lose profit from our system. This is a very unique feature which has never been introduced in any of the matrices. It doesn't matter if your downline upgrades to next lap before you are still going to get that profit once you move to that lap. So it will be kept on hold until and unless you reach to next lap. So you don't have to worry about losing your profit because your downline is very active and aggressive and he has upgraded before you. This has never happened in the past. This is a very unique feature, okay, which Typhoon is providing all of you. Thank you so much. We can open for questions. If anyone has any questions, please feel free to ask. We are happy to answer everyone. You can raise your hand or type your question in the chat group and we'll be happy to answer. Thank you. If anyone has any question, please feel free to ask. I'm happy to answer, or our team is happy to answer. Mark, we are yet to launch. We are in a pre-launch now. We are testing the smart contract, okay? And we will be soon finalizing and disclosing the date to everyone. We'll be launching soon. So hope you are there in the official chat group. We will be posting all the updates there, and we will be sharing all the details like when we are going to launch and what will be the time. So everyone will be made aware of the launch date and time. Link to chat, Ella or anyone can share the link here. Ella, Vitali, Gaur, can you please share the official Telegram link to
Okay. Okay.
to the chat? Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Yes. And we have exciting offers coming up for team leaders, those who have team. So we will be sharing the offers, okay, very soon. Please be available on the chat group. Please join the Telegram official chat if you're not there. For all the updates, we will be updating the offers for the leaders, okay, those who have got a team anyone can participate. There is no restriction here. But obviously, sorry, obviously there are certain criterias which you need to fulfill to win or participate in that competition. So we will be disclosing all the details very soon. Has anyone got any questions, or we are good to go? You can raise your hand. I'll unmute you, or you can type in your question. I will be I'm happy to answer you. Okay, Mark, 1 minute. Yes, Mark, go ahead.
Okay. My question is on the Telegram, it says that August 8th and 9th. So we're going to have another presentation tomorrow at this time.
Yes, so we are going to have this presentation again tomorrow, the same time.
Thank you.
Anyone else has got any question? How did you like the project? Any inputs, any feedback? Yes, Colin.
Hi, good afternoon. I'm all the way from South Africa. Can you tell me how do we go about the registrations, and when will that be?
Yes. So as I said earlier, that we are yet to finalize the date for launch. We will be soon announcing the dates. We are still in testing phase. Once we get a go ahead from the developers, we will test the system if everything is working fine or not. Until unless we are 100% sure that all the codings are fine and everything is like in line, we will announce the launch date. Obviously, we will give everyone a little time so that they can prepare their team, and they can talk to people. Okay, so we will be disclosing the time. We will be sharing the link. We will be sharing all the details. Yeah, we will be sharing all the details with everyone in the Telegram, official Telegram chat.
Thanks so much. Thanks so much, Prem.
Yeah. Yes, Mark, go ahead.
No, I'm fine. I'm done. You answered my question. Thank you.
Okay. Anyone else has got any questions? Yeah, Colin, you have any question?
I'm done. You answered my question.
Okay. Thank you, guys. Thank you for joining the presentation. We'll have the presentation again tomorrow, same time. Thanks for your time. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Have a nice day.